copy and pasting your contact info with Easy Texting. Before you start texting, make sure that each contact has opted in to receive text messages from you or your business. This will eliminate compliance issues and protect your subscribers from unwanted spam. Now, once you've put together an opted-in list of subscribers eager to receive text updates and alerts, you'll need to get that information into Easy Texting. If you already have your list saved as an Excel spreadsheet or a CSV file, we highly recommend you watch our Mass Uploading Contacts video by simply clicking the iCard in the top right. However, if your contacts are saved in something else like a Word document or another file that cannot be directly uploaded to Easy Texting, here is another option for you. Just like in email, you'll want to keep a comma in between each column field and enter each contact on their own line, like this. Or, if you are pasting numbers only, you'll want to keep each number to its own row, like this example. Once finished, highlight the info you want to upload and copy, and then hit Command-C on your keyboard, or Control-C if using a PC. This will copy your information. Now, log into your account and navigate up to the Contacts option from the left menu. Now click on Add Contacts from the top right, and then Copy-Paste. Simply hit Command-V on your keyboard or Control-V if using a PC to paste your information. After you have pasted everything you wish to upload, click Next. It is important that you review your spreadsheet before moving forward. If the phone number column has something else other than your contact's number listed, say an email for example, the system will then send you an error while importing your contacts. To avoid this, you can easily toggle the column header to reflect the appropriate title field. If everything looks good, click on Continue. The final page will show a drop-down menu where you can select a group in which the uploaded contacts will be placed. There's also a link available to click and create a new group. Once your option is selected, make sure to check the box next to the Terms and Conditions. When all of these steps are completed, click on the Finish button. Your upload will now be processed, and an acknowledgement of your upload will display at the top of the account. Congrats! You've now copy and pasted your contacts information directly to Easy Texting. If you have any questions at all, please check out our help docs found on our website or listed in the description below. And make sure to subscribe to Easy Texting's YouTube channel to get more helpful videos.